Hello friends, I am Raj from Rajtech. Today I will start the topic. Before I jump the topic, I will share some information. Like I recently started one channel Rajtech Bengali. Here I uploaded the Bengali content, and this is my channel Rajtech. Here I uploaded the content in Hindi and English. So let's start today's topic.
Is your Windows 7 running super slow? Freeze every time you open any program? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to fix Windows 7 lagging issues step by step, even if you are a beginner. No issue. I will show you step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a simple step but powerful method to speed up your Windows 7 PC or laptop. By the end of this video, your system will feel much better, faster and smoother. Just jump right in. So first of all, you need to disable startup program. How can you do that? I will show you how what is the condition right now. Right now I am facing the lagness issue, so I open the status bar. Here I check my memory is uses and CPU is okay. So if I click the resource monitor, here I found the memory uses the 100% maximum. So if I click on memory, 71% memory uses. That's the issue. So if I go to process and filter with memory, I will click on memory, then I can see the Firefox exe are maximum utilize my memory. So temporarily basis, if I kill the process, memory will be free. But long term, I need to solve this issue. So I will guide you how can you do that. So basically, I check right now uses 1.62 GB in memory. Okay, I kill the process simply 1.62. Just remember this. And I kill the process. Now you can check the memory will be free. I only kill the Firefox process. Now check, 1.62 to now 649, almost 50 to 60% lower data showing. Here you can check the graph. What is the previous graph and right now. So if your system is very lag and not working, just open taskbar and just kill the process, filter with the process, just click on the memory, or if your CPU is high, just click on CPU and kill the process. After that you can now use your laptop. So I will guide you step by step how can you fix the issue. So basically now I can perform the task. How can the laptop is faster? So simply I click on start menu, then click on run. I didn't find, just type run run, and here type the temp. Delete all temp file. Okay, just delete it and follow the process as per I shared in this video. I have 10 years experience in IT industry as a technical support administrator, so I know how can fix those type of issue. Just click create prefetch. Here the temporary file, just delete it. After that click on PC, then click on properties and go to the advanced system. Okay, suppose I consider the RAM size is 2 GB. Okay, then you will be calculate a much better way. So go to advanced and change this, deselect the automatic check and select on the custom size, and memory size need to here update. I will show you the calculator so you can calculate. Suppose my RAM is 2 GB, so I will into 1.15. This is minimum RAM I need to mention. So 2.3 GB and maximum will be 1/3. 2 into 3, 6. This is the calculation. So 2.3 GB, that means they are need to add in MB. So 2300 MB and 6 GB means 6000 MB. Click on set. After that, OK. Yeah, it will affect. Okay. Just update the need to restart. So I will restart later. After that, you need to click on advanced and go to performance again, and need to in visualization you need to click on the best performance. So your system will be working better, but graphics will be little bit down. So I enable some features. And another thing need to do, right, Windows R, then type ms config, then click on OK. Click on startup menu. Here you can find your multiple application is appear here. Just deselect the application in startup, click on apply. So application will be not run every startup. Then click on service, hide all Microsoft service, and if you can stop those service in background. So okay, so I will restart later. So basically those steps help your system performance better. If you follow those steps, I will confirm your laptop will be work much better. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share the video with your friends who still using the Windows 7, and let me know the comment which method work best for you. Thank you.